tuple, okay, and how to create it, how to access some value of a tuple. It is time to go and learn more about this tuple, okay. So tuple is a data structure, right? So when it's data structure, we need to learn if is it possible to update this tuple or not. So tuple updating is not possible in Python, as tuple are immutable, okay. But you can create a new tuple with an existing tuple. Let me show you an example here, okay. I'm going to remove all of them from here, and then I'm going to add a new tuple which is going to be equal to cities, and here I'm going to add some element, okay. The first one, which was Mumbai, okay, and the second one, let's add this as Bangalore. The other one, what was this? Again, let's add the China here, okay, and also this one. So I have this one, which is the first list that I created, and also I'm going to add another list which is going to be number, okay, not list, actually it's a tuple, okay. So here 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. So now we have these two, okay. We cannot update this because it's immutable. So what can we do here? Okay, we can create a new tuple from these two tuple, okay, that exist, okay. How can we do that? For example, I am going to create tuple 1 here. It is equal to cities plus numbers, okay. And now if I print tuple 1 and save this, run it, you will be able to see a new tuple here that is created from these both, okay. So it is how we can create a new tuple, but we are not able to update the tuple, okay. So we cannot add a new item to this, we cannot actually we cannot update this. So we can use this, okay, to create new tuple and this one, okay. So let's go and also learn about the deleting tuple element in this video, okay. So I have to tell you that we cannot remove individual tuple element. So to remove an entire tuple, explicitly use the del statement, okay. So here I am going to give you an example, okay. We have the cities, okay. Let me remove this from here, and we cannot delete one specific element, but we can delete the whole thing, I think. Let's go with del and then cities. Now if I print that cities and save it, let's see what do we have now. You see that it is giving me an error and it's telling me that cities is not defined. We do have a cities here. You see that we have the cities, but when I'm printing this, you see it is giving me that error. Why? Because I deleted that. Let me remove it, and now when I run it, it is giving me, and now when I run it, I cannot see that. Okay, it's giving me an error. It's because that cities is already deleted. Okay, so I cannot print that. So it was about deleting this tuple. And also we have some basic tuple operation like concatenation, repetition, length, membership, iteration, that I'm going to go through them in the next video. Okay, so I will see you in the next video.